I'm Tiffany, and this is Aesthetic. This is my invitation to you, YouTube creators with less than 5,000 subscribers, to participate in Small Creators Sunday. This is a challenge that I host on the second Sunday of every month at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Each month has a specific theme that you need to follow if you're going to participate. This month is Lucky Bunnies, and the theme is for St. Patrick's and or Easter DIYs or content. You want to make sure that you use the specific theme for the month. And this one goes up on March 13th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, so you make sure that's when your video goes live. My co-host is Sarah from Can Sarah DIY It. Again, the rules are so simple. Make sure you link to us and the playlist in your description box. Use Small Creator Sunday in your title. And again, make sure to follow the theme for the month. If you're only on Instagram, you can still participate and just use hashtag Small Creator Sunday. I really hope to see you guys there.